Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K. O.D. Today we are making authentic Ghanaian chicken soup. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy meal. Thank you. For ingredients, we'll be needing our chicken. Guys, some onions, guys, tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, pepper and bay leaf, blended ginger, garlic and pepper, garden eggs, and some salt. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for making our authentic Ghanaian chicken rice soup. Ahead and add our blended spice, tomato puree, and some chopped onions. Chopped onions in your Ghanaian soup is very important. It brings a lot of flavors to your stew. Soup, I'll go ahead and add some salt. Salt is always to your taste, so for this amount, it's okay. And I'll stir it, guys. That's it. I'll go ahead and add my bay leaves and then I'll cover it up, and then we will go and cook our chicken. Guys, I'll go ahead and put on the stove to cook but we are steaming this chicken without any water. It's very important because you want to keep the flavors and in this soup, so don't add any water. Just cook it like that and allow the juice from the chicken to do its job, guys. Guys, this is our authentic chicken rice soup. When I was adding the tomatoes and the pepper and the onions, I had trouble with my camera. I couldn't film that part. So it was just the vegetables I added. I added a little bit of water to it because this soup is one pot, so you don't need to cook anything apart. Just throw everything in and then you are good to go. So now our veggies are done. I'll go ahead and remove them for blending. I just our vegetables are cooked, guys, so I'll go ahead and add some water for blending. And then we are almost done with our chicken rice soup. Cover it up and blend. Our blended tomatoes, garden eggs, and the onions are ready, guys. I'll go ahead and add it to the soup. Perfect. It looks so good. Our soup looks so good, guys. After adding the blended veggie, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water and then I'll cover it for it to cook. But we are not going to add any salt now because the base of the soup was well seasoned. So I'll just cover it up and allow it to cook, and then later I'll taste for salt and add more salt, guys. Our chicken soup looks so good. Our soup is doing perfect, guys. Look at this. Let's go ahead and taste for salt. It's perfect. I'm not going to add any salt to this soup. Remember, salt is always to your taste. I'll go ahead and add some pepper, green pepper, for more flavor, guys, and I'll cover it up for this soup to cook 5 more minutes, and we are good to go. This soup is given. Look at this. It's really given. And this soup, we are going to serve it with our delicious fufu, Ghana authentic and kasapa ya one wardrobe, and then I did be this way. Guys, our authentic Ghanaian chicken soup is ready. Let's go ahead and serve. It smells so good, guys. The flavors here are awesome. So we will go ahead and serve. Look at this. This soup is given. We're so dear. We best a live chicken pa. So night all the parts. Nitipa na yenya. Niti dear yenya. But look, this soup is given. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, authentic Ghanaian chicken light soup. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support.